Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to talk about the July's Boxycharm premium box. So let's see what did I get this month. So for the Boxycharm premium box you pay $35 monthly and you get between 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, and the value for all of them, it can be a minimum of $175. So it is a pretty good deal. Let's start. So this is how the box looks. It comes with a paper with a description about all the items you get, and this is my box for this month. So let's start with the first item. The first item is the Morphe Minimal Glam palette, which is this one, and the price is $20. So let's see the palette. Okay. So this is the palette. It is beautiful. It comes like with a mirror, and it says it has 12 shades and 2 highlighters. So as you can see here, so let's try and see how it looks. So we'll see. I like it. So far I'm loving this box. Okay, so the second item, it is the Kenya Antivirus Beauty. Comes in a really nice package, like you can see, and it is a contour, highlighted, and bronze palette. So let's try it. You know what? I love this contour and highlighting palette. It blends very nice and the colors are just beautiful. The third item are lipsticks from Folly Fire. So let's see the colors. So this is the first color, which is more like a mauve color. Let me do this one. Look how beautiful it is. The next one is this one. Let me do the swatch for this one. Oh wow, I love the colors. And the last one is this one, which is like darker. So let me put it here so you can see. Wow, I love all the colors. They are beautiful. So for this look, I'm just gonna use the matte color because it's a little bit neutral. And this is how it looks, which is very nice. The next item will be the Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. So let's see. Let me open it so we can see what is this about. Okay, so this is the eyeliner. So for one side, oh, it's like kind of purple, and for the other side, let me see. Oh, it's like a liquid eyeliner. So let's try it. for the eyeliner. I can say that I love it because it's easy to apply, and the purple color is just so beautiful. So I'm really happy with my box so far. The next product, the price is like $95, which is a toner. Look, this is how it looks. It helps to smooth the skin and to protect from premature aging. So I want to try it. I'm so excited about this product. I was waiting to get this one because I heard so much about it that I definitely want to try. And this is my final product for my nails. So let me see. It smells very nice, and it says that it smooths the skin and at the same time moisturize the skin. So look, I love it. Okay, so the total price is $238, which is a pretty nice deal because they sent me 6 full price items and I only paid $35. So thank you for watching my video. Let me know which box did you get this month, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye bye.